Hello guys and welcome back to school. So ngayon po, ang tuturo ko pong mga lesson ay para sa mga senior high school, ABM strands. So ang subject po na ituturo ko po ngayon, organization and management. So ang topic natin ngayon ay nature and concept of management. Okay, topics to be discussed. Definition and function of management. Characteristics and nature of management. So, what is the definition and function of management? Okay, what is management? Management is the act of bringing together the work activities to achieve the organization's goals and an objective. Basically, it means teamwork. Okay? Pag walang teamwork, walang mabubuo at walang maaayos. So, another one, it is essentials in any organization. Leader-manager must realize the importance of people working harmoniously with the aim of effectively reaching the target goals of the company. So, napaka-importante na sa trabaho, kunyari ikaw ang leader or yung manager, yung mga subordinates mo, yung mga tauhan mo ay masaya sa pamumuno. Okay? So, management defined by management gurus. Pag sinabing gurus, yung mga expert. So, according to Peter Drucker, management is a multi-purpose organ that manage business, manage managers, and manage workers and work. Okay, so kailangan alam mo yung paano manage yung iyong mga tao at ang iyong business. So, para maging malago ang business. Then, according to Mary Parker Collins, management is the art of getting things done through people. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, ang focus ng management ay yung tao. So, according to other management gurus natin, management is an art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized groups. It is an art of creating the environment in which people can perform and individuals and come cooperation towards attainment of group goals according to Harold Collins. And yung mga experts naman. So, what are the functions of management? The first one is planning. Involves determining the organization goals or performance objectives, strategic actions that must be done to accomplish them, and developing coordination and segregation. So, meaning, importante ang planning. Second one is organization. The man assigning tasks, setting aside funds, and bringing harmonious relations. Kung makikita niyo sa picture, organize siya. Meron dito, siya yung sa selling. Meron may manage, may taga-assist. So, organize po. So, among the individuals and work groups in the organization. Staffing. Third one is staffing. Staffing indicates finding the different job position, the organization structure, the factors that influence function, include size of the organization, types of jobs, number of individuals to be recruited, and some internal expenses. Siyempre, importante, kung malaki ang kumpanya mo, maraming tao ang kailangan mo. Pero kung maliit mo naman yung business mo, konting tao lang ang kailangan. At kung ano talaga ang kailangan tao. For example, restaurant, dalawang tagalutuba, dalawang waiter or waitress, dalawang tagalutuba. So, kailangan alamin mo kung ilang tao ba ang kailangan sa iyo company. Leading. Fourth one is leading. Leading entails influencing or motivating subordinates to do their best so that they would be able to help the organization endeavor to attain their set goal. So, kailangan marunong mong hindi yung mga tao mo ay daig ka pa. So, dapat susunod ang mga tao sa iyo. Okay? Number 5 is controlling. Ayan, magkarugtong yan si leading sa controlling. Pag hindi yan magkasama, ay wala. Masisira ang ama. Okay, so controlling involves evaluating and, if necessary, correcting the performance of the individuals or work groups or teams to ensure that they are all working toward the previously set goals and plans of the organization. So, kailangan makontrol mo yung mga tao mo. Tingnan mo maigi kung nagagampanan ba niya yung mga job description o sayang lang pinapasweldo o pinapasweldo ng company sa kanila na hindi naman nila nagagawa ng ang trabaho kasi hindi mo nakukuha. Okay. Characteristics and nature of management. So, management is goal-oriented. It is not an end itself. It means it is a means to achieve certain goals. So, ang management may goal ka eh. Goal ka. So, dapat nakafocus ka sa goal. Okay? Na ma-achieve. It has no justification to exist without goals. So, walang management kung wala kang goal. Kaya ang management is goal-oriented. For example, ang goal mo ay kumita ka ngayong taon kahit naman din kumita ka ngayong taon at ma-provide mo ang lahat ng mga kailangan ng bawat tao mo. So, that is your goal. Then, these are called group goals or organizational goals. Kaya nga nagpa-plan ka kasi merong then the basic goal of management is to ensure efficiency and economy in the utilization of human, physical, and financial resources. Na nasabi ko kanina. Dapat ang focus ka na paano kayo kita, paano tataas yung income para ma-provide mo yung pangangailangan ng mga tao at even ikaw ma-provide mo. Kaya nga sila nagtatrabaho para mabuhay, hindi para patayin yung sarili. Nagtatrabaho tapos wala nang kinikita. Okay, so that is one of the basic goals of management. Okay, the success of management is measured by the extent to which the established goals are achieved. So thus, the management purposeful. Management is universal. Bakit kaya? It is an essential element of every organized activity, irrespective of the size of the type of the activity. Universal kasi hindi lang siya nakikita. Kailangan marunong ka rin i-manage yung nasa labas kasi kailangan mo yung mga tao nasa labas. Okay, kaya universal din mga export, import, then continuous process. Management is continuous process. The cycle of the management continues to operate as long as there is organized action for the achievement of goals. Naayos mo na sila, tapos hahayaan mo na. Kailangan continuous process. Pag-aaralan mo maigi paano pa mag-move yung pagmamanage sa isang kumpanya. Okay. It is an ongoing process. It is also never-ending process. Ano ba yun? It is the dynamic and the cycle is continuous. Katulad dito, identify, plan, execute, review, paulit-ulit lang yan. Ulit-ulit. So, this is continuous. So, management is also multidisciplinary. Management techniques, principles, and theories are drawn from other disciplines, such as engineering, anthropology, sociology, and psychology. Multidisciplinary. Ang management ay mababaliwala kung ang nagmamanage ay wala disiplina. Then, depends on wide knowledge and practice derived from various disciplines. Management is also intangible force. It is the evidence by the result of its effort to others. It is unseen and invisible force. Hindi mo nakikita yung intangible. Kaya nga tinawag yung intangible force. Yan po yung kapag meron kang plano o meron kang sinet na goals, tapos kahit hindi na inutusan ng tao ay nagpupusa sila kasi alam na nila yung goals mo. Okay? So, nandun yung force. It cannot be seen but its presence can be felt in the form of result in very type of organization. So, yung tao mo, kung alam na-organize mo silang mag-think, alam nila yung mindset. Alam din nila yung gagawin. Andun yung force. Okay, management is situational. There is no best way of doing things. To solve a particular problem, condition, and situation is taken into account. Pag manager ka, parang sa bahay, ang manager natin ay ating natin. So, may mga circumstances o may mga pangyayari sa buhay saan may inaasahan ka lang okay lang, biglang nangyayari sa pamilya. Ganon din yung kumpanya. Meron pang hindi ka inaasahan, pero kailangan handa ka as manager. Okay, it is a system of authority that provides the direction of every activity of an organization. It forms system of authority or a hierarchy of command to control activities and gives rule direction. Management is also both a science and an art. Science is a systematized body of knowledge based on certain principles that are generally applied. Okay? So, ang management para din science kasi pinag-aaralan mo siya. Kailangan systematic. Okay? Scientific knowledge is observed through the process of critical and continuous observation and intelligent speculation. So, hindi ganun kadali ang mag-manage o mag-manager. So, kailangan ng critical thinking, kailangan ng gagawin, anong strategy gagawin. So, scientific knowledge. Kasi para ka nag-experiment dyan, tapos nagkakaroon ka ng conclusion. Kaya may scientific knowledge. And then, accordingly, management as a science is based on principle instead of a traditional way of doing things in science and error method. So, evolution of management. Evolution of management thought. Pre-scientific management. Yan po yung contribution made by Roman Catholic Church, military organization, writers like Charles Babbage, James Watt. So, pre-scientific management. Isa-isahin po natin mamaya. And then, sunod po ay classical theory. Yun yung may mga scientific management. Nag-improve na siya administrative management theory, bureaucratic model. The third one is neoclassical theory. Yan yung HAWTHORNE experiment. And then the third one is ginagamit natin ngayon, which is modern theory, system approach and contingency approach. So, iisa-isahin natin evolution of management. Evolution of management thought may be divided into 4 stages. Yun nga, pre-scientific, management period, classical theory, neoclassical theory, yan, and then the modern theory or system. Ang pre-scientific management period, yan yung wala pang dami, tapos sa naging modern. That is very scientific management period. Employees went to their work instead of receiving it. So, the factory system, as it is known today, become a dominant feature of the company. Under this system, land and building, hired labor and capital, are made available to entrepreneur who strives to combine these factors to the efficient achievement of a particular goal. Yan. So traditional, conventional, and customary ideas of management were slowly given up and management came to be based on scientific principles. So, yan po yung mga sinauna. Traditional. So, modern management has thrown open a new branch of human knowledge, a fresh universe of discourse by L.L. Irwin. So, nagkaroon na tayo ng pagbabago. That is modern management. So, during the period following the Industrial Revolution, certain pioneers tried to challenge the traditional character of management and introducing new ideas, character of management by introducing ideas and approaches. So, kasi nga, di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, management, nag-aaral pa yan, iisip pa sila ng mga strategy. So, from time to time, magbabago. So, under classical theory, we have scientific management. During this period, stalwarts like F.W. Taylor, H.L. Kant, Emerson, Frank, and William Gilbert, etc. laid the foundation of management, which in due course came to be as scientific management. So, from prehistoric, napunta tayo sa classical theory. So, sa classical theory, other words dyan ay scientific management. This approach in the history of the management will be remembered as an era in which traditional ways of management were challenged. Past management experience was scientifically systematized. Principles of management were distilled and propagated. So, ibig sabihin, in-improve na ng content yung management before. So, ginawa ng systematic. So, classical theory, katulad na ni F.W. Taylor and Henry Fayol are generally regarded as the founders of scientific management and administrative management. Both provided the basis for science and art. So, ang ginamit nila dito is yung theory of science and art sa pagmamana ng tao. Si F.W. Taylor at saka si Henry Fayol ang founder ng scientific management and administrative management. Tulad nitong nakikita niyo si Victor, classical talaga siya. Features of management in the classical period. It was closely associated with the Industrial Revolution. So, industrial. Yan yung mga paggawaan ng pabrika in the large scale of enterprise. Then number two is classical organization and management theory is based on contributions from a number of sources. They are scientific management, administrative management theory, bureaucratic model, and microeconomics and public administration. Third one is management that focus on job content, division of labor, standardization, simplification, and specialization, and scientific approach towards organization. So, manage sila ng malaking kumpanya. So, dinivide nila ito yung department ng ganito, ito yung taga-ganito. Sa public, kasi usually ganyan. May taga-luto, may taga-balot, may taga-bilang. So, may division of labor para may standardization. Kasi simplify yung trabaho. Hindi mapofocus lang sa isang tao yung trabaho. So, yun yung nangyari. And then, we proceed to neoclassical theory. Kung ang classical kanina ay tinawag sa scientific management, yun naman classical organization theory. It is built on the base of classical theories. Classical theory. It modified, improves, and extended the so, in-improve lang nila yung classical theory. Kaya ginawa ng neoclassical theory. It is concentrated on job and managing the physical resources, whereas neoclassical theory gave greater emphasis to individual and group relationship in the workplace. The neoclassical theory pointed out the role of psychology and sociology in the understanding of individual and group behavior in an organization. So, mas nag-focus sila sa tao. Yan. Ito naman ay HAWTHORNE experiment. In 1927, a group of researchers led by Elton Mayo and Fritz Rollesberger of the Harvard Business School were invited to join the studies at the HAWTHORNE Works of Western Electric Company, Chicago. So nakafocus sila sa mga taong dami nilang workers at may kanya-kanya silang trabaho. So the HAWTHORNE experiment brought out that the productivity of the employees is not the function of only physical conditions and money wages paid to them. HAWTHORNE experiment, nakapokus din sila sa productivity. So, hindi lang sa tao sila nakafocus. Ang focus din nila is yung productivity. Kung okay ba yung mga tao, kung okay yung mga tao, okay pa yung production. So, productivity of the employees depends heavily upon the satisfaction of the employees in their work situation. Okay. Yan. Mayo's idea was the logical factors were far less important than emotional factors in determining productivity efficiency. So, ang focus nila, hindi lang sa tao, pati sa production. Siyempre, kailangan gusto rin nila maayos yung pagtutulong nila sa mga tao para maging maayos din yung production ng produkto nila. Dahil kung maayos yung production ng produkto nila, maayos din yung production. So, doon sila nakapokus. Okay? So, we proceed to modern theory o yung tinatawag na system approach. Yan yung ngayong panahon. So, the system approach to management indicates the fourth major theory of management, so-called modern theory. So, this considered as organization as an adaptive system which must adjust to change in its environment. So, an organization is now defined as a structured process in which individuals interact for attaining objectives. So, mas palalawakin pa natin yung system theory na tinatawag. So, what is system? System, it is derived from the Greek word meaning to bring together or to combine. Pag sinabi kasi systematic, maayos. It is a set of interconnected and interrelated elements or components, parts of to achieve certain goals. Kasi nga nakafocus management sa goal. So, dahil sa goal na yun, nag-iisip ka ngayon ng mga strategy. Paano mo maabot ang goal? So, one of the strategies is systematic. So, three significant parts of system. The first one is every system is goal-oriented and it must have a purpose or objective attained. The second one is in designing the system, we must establish the necessary arrangement of components. So, yung goal mo, dyan na, oriented ka, kailangan abutin mo yun. Pero dapat yung kailangan mo para maabot yun, ka-arrange na ayos. Number 3, inputs of information, material, and energy are allocated for processing as per plan so that the outputs can achieve the objectives of the system. So, may goal ka na, inayos mo na yung mga kailangan, yung inputs para meron kang meron kang tao, saan ba magtatrabaho? Meron ka bang ginagamit? May internet ka ba? May materials ka ba? Okay? So, kailangan systematic, ka-organize lahat. Mga components kailangan ready yan. Para yung input, may inputs ka, then meron ka. System approach applied to an organization. The features of an organization as an open adaptive system. The first one is subsystem. It is a subsystem of its broader environment. So may system ka. So kailangan mo yung i-divide para hindi masyadong hihirapan yung mga tao. Ilang nila yung gagawin para maabot yung nila. So ulit, is a goal-oriented people with a purpose. So kailangan mo kumpleto mo lahat ng pangangailangan. Alam mo kung ano gagawin mo at alam mo kung papagawa mo sa tao para maabot yung goal. Okay, the third one is a technical subsystem using knowledge, techniques, equipments, and facilities. Siyempre, hindi na uso ngayon yung puro mano-mano. Meron tayong mga techniques o technical equipments na kailangan gamitin. Mga machine para mapabilis yung trabaho at mapabilis din yung pag-process na or yung page product. Okay, the fourth one, it is a substructural subsystem. People working together on interrelated activities. So, dapat teamwork na tawag. Nagkakasundo kayo sa, may mga plano kayo para magawa ng goal. Okay? So, the big one is, it is a psychosocial system. People in social relationships. Siyempre, hindi naman maganda yung puro na kailangan yung social life din. Meron kayong panahon na usap, baka mamaya may nasabi ka sa isa. Para yung stress ninyo ay, or yung galit ninyo, or inis ninyo, kailangan nyo pa rin usap. Mag-meeting, magtanong, mangumusta. The number six, it is coordinate by managerial subsystem, creating, planning, organizing, motivating, communicating, and controlling the overall effort directed towards set goals. So, katulad yan, gusto nyo mabuo ito. So, kailangan ng teamwork. Okay? Coordination sa bawat isa. So, characteristic of modern management. 5 basic parts. Input, process, output, feedback, and environment. Okay, may input ka, ipa-process yung input mo, magkakaroon ng output. Ngayon, kapag na-deliver na yan sa bawat pagbibigyan mo, tapos maganda yung feedback niya. So, yung environment mo. Okay, so that is the 5 basic parts. The contingency theory naman, yan din ay kasama rin under pa rin ng system approach. Emphasize that all such systems of an organization with the super-system environment are interconnected and interrelated. Hindi siya nalala dun sa system approach o yung systematic theory o yung tinatawag naman natin. So, kasama pa rin siya, part pa rin siya. Dapat connected. Contingency theory, analysis, and understand these interrelationships so the managerial action can be adjusted to demands of a specific situation or circumstances. Okay, that's all. Thank you. God bless and stay safe. Bye-bye po until next lesson.